Hey guys, glad you can join me for my sweater nails tutorial. So this is the previous set and it's about 3 weeks old. We're gonna remove this and start on our new set. So I'm using a medium grit e-file because before this, as you can see, she had like texture nails, the crocodile nails. So I needed something a little bit more, I would say gritty to be able to remove it. And this file in particular is from Kiara Sky. This is a medium grit 5-in-1 file or e-file, so you can go ahead and get it from Kiara Sky if you do need it. So now that's almost done. Let's get ready to lay the acrylic down. So now I'm using my e-file to just clean up around the cuticles, make sure everything is flush and blended, no lumps or bumps over here, baby. And then I'm just wiping the nail bed off with alcohol to remove any residue. And we'll get into painting. All of these colors, which are going to be different nudes, are actually from Kiara Sky. And the glitter, I think, is from Modelones. And you could get that from Amazon. We start forming our sweater print. You can find any kind of inspo online. And I'm using my striper brush to form the little lines and basically make the dots. This is the same exact polish that I used initially when I painted the background. So you're going to use the same polish and don't cure it. You're going to go ahead and take your clear acrylic, sprinkle it, tap it on there, cure it for 60 seconds, and that's all. This is the finished product.